Hey guys, how are you doing? Now you can leave the chat with a finished file without having to copy, paste, or format anything at all. Gemini now generates complete documents directly from the conversation. PDFs, Word files, Google Docs, spreadsheets, and much more. In practice, you describe what you want and you already get the final material in the right format, ready to use or share. This shortens a process that used to go through several tools. And here's the most interesting part. To what extent does this replace your current creation or editing workflow? Will it change everything again? That's what we're going to see now. But first, you already know, right? Subscribe to the channel. And if you like this video, don't forget to leave a like, because that really helps keep the channel relevant. Deal? So let's get to the video. Well guys, today I want to share some news here that was just announced by the folks at Google. Listen up. Create files directly from your chats with Gemini. Generate PDFs, Microsoft Word, Google Docs, Excel, Google Sheets, and much more. Just say what you need and the format. No templates or extra steps are needed. Available now for all Gemini web users and also on devices. So, apparently, it's available not only for paid accounts, but also for free accounts. Check out what people are saying here on X. Breaking news. Google has just turned Gemini into a complete Office suite inside the chat. Before, you would ask an AI for something, copy the result, paste it into Docs, and format it. Now, Gemini generates the file directly in the chat, and you just need to download it. Available to all users worldwide. Then, this other user also commented, Gemini has put an end to the copy and paste workflow for good. That's where the idea for the thumbnail of this video came from. Here's what Gemini can now create directly in the chat. So, Google Docs, Google Sheets, and Google Slides. PDF, Microsoft Word, that is, .docx, Microsoft Excel, .xlsx, CSV, Markdown, Playtest, RTF, and so on. So, look at how many things, how many different types of documents you can create without having to leave Gemini. So, let's go. I'm going to show you now what I was able to create and how you can generate your own documents inside Gemini. But first, pay attention to this tip. If you manage technology projects or deal with high volume content creation, you know that a big bottleneck in your routine is the time wasted on repetitive tasks and the difficulty of integrating systems that don't communicate with each other. So, you need to get to know Make. Make is a visual automation platform that allows you to build workflows and AI agents very quickly. It works with more than 3,000 apps and supports both low-code and no-code development. The big difference is its ability to create moderately complex scenarios for real business cases, going far beyond those simple automations like just forwarding an email to a spreadsheet. And here's something amazing. You can, for example, connect the data input from a form to an automated system analysis and distribute the resulting tasks directly to your project management software. All of this while maintaining real-time visibility and total control of your operation through the Make grid. The practical result is a huge time savings, much more clarity in daily processes, and the ability to scale your productivity more confidently. In short, try Make today and get the Pro plan free for 1 month, which offers up to 10,000 operations for you to test. The link is in the first line of the video description right above the Show More button. It's also pinned in the first comment. Alright, let's get back. So let's go. Starting here with a Google document. Generate a Google Docs document about the advances of AI in the healthcare field with a length of approximately 5 pages. He thought for a few seconds. Notice that here, I have the whole reasoning. And right after that, he gave me the document. Below, he added a description. The document explores the most recent advances between 2024 and 2026 covering diagnostic medicine, genomic precision, robotics, new drug discovery, and the ethical complexities the field will face in the future. If you need more topics or want to add information from specific sources, just let me know. And this was the document he generated for me, and look how cool that is. He brought me a ready-made document formatted in Google Docs. If I want, by clicking on the link, I can open it automatically in my Google Drive. And then I can edit it, do whatever I want. but the document already comes out ready in the format I want. So it avoids that extra work of having to generate content, copy that content, and then paste it into a document, a spreadsheet, or a Google Slides presentation. Everything is done directly inside the chat. In this second example, I uploaded this PDF here, which is a monthly bulletin on B3 stocks, and I asked the following: create a Google Sheets table with the data from the attached file. Then it also processed for a bit here and already delivered the result. Your spreadsheet was successfully created, gathering all the data tables contained in the stock bulletin file. This was the result it gave me, a table here that I can open inside my Google Sheets. Here I can view it, and if I click on the link, this content is automatically transferred to my Google Sheets so I can edit it if necessary. Now, this other example here, in my opinion, is the coolest. Why? I had these images here that are photographs taken from notebook pages. So I had page number 1, page number 2, number 3, and number 4. Then I asked the following: create a detailed study guide as a PDF in LaTeX format using my class notes. Include visual elements, graphs, and equations. Notice that it wrote some Python code here. Why? Because it's going to add figures to my file. If I need to, I can download this code here to my computer or simply copy it. In the same way, it also provided the reasoning here and put the description below. I created an in-depth study guide based on your notes. The document was structured as follows: equations, linear congruences, the Chinese remainder theorem. And then, here is the conclusion. The file was professionally compiled in LaTeX and already has the ideal mathematical and typographic formatting for your studies. If you need to add more notes or expand any topic, just let me know. And let's see the result. And look how nice this PDF turned out. Modular Arithmetic Study Guide. And here it includes not only the text and formulas, but also the figure I asked it to add. By the way, it's already in LaTeX format, so I don't have to do anything at all. Just share my file here. Then I wanted to leave the Google environment and asked the following: create a DOCX about climate change with approximately 5 pages. Use charts if necessary. So, I'm not asking for a Google Docs file here, I'm asking for a Word file. And look at what it gave me. Exactly what I asked for. A docs file. Look, climate change, global challenges, and the role of innovation. Look, I have my introduction here. Everything formatted, including the requested charts. I'm going to save it here on the computer to see if it's really a docs file. Done, file saved, let's open it. Look at my Word document here. Completely formatted, everything just the way I asked. If I need to edit it, I just come here and make the change. Did you notice how this will save a lot of time? Artificial intelligence itself will structure the data and then create the document in whatever format you want. So, let's go. I'll show you now how to create these types of files here inside Gemini. The first thing you need to do is select the PRO model here. Then, here, you'll type your prompt. Here's a prompt in natural language. Create a docs file about the advances of electric cars in Brazil. The document should be about 5 pages long. Use charts and images if necessary. Here, where I wrote .docs, is where you'll specify the type of file you want to create. If it's a presentation, .pptx. If it's a Google document, Google Docs. If it's a presentation, Google Slides. If it's a spreadsheet, Google Sheets or Excel. So, it's right here where you'll specify the type of file you want to create. That's it. The rest is your prompt, which can be in Portuguese. No problem. If you want, you can also, by clicking the plus sign button here, upload a file here to use as a base. So then, it won't need to go to the internet to look for the information. It will use your file as the source, okay? I'm going to leave it empty here and ask it to generate. Notice that, since I didn't upload any base file, first, it goes to the internet to look for the data. Done. In a few seconds, it gives me a document here and already provides the description. The report was structured to be comprehensive and detailed. It includes recent sales statistics, generated charts, infrastructure, incentives, main manufacturers, and future projections. So, this is the file it just generated for me in DOCX format. The advances and future of electric cars in Brazil. I have the text and the charts here just as I asked. Look how cool that is. If I like the result, I just have to click this button and download this Word file to my computer. And I'll open it to see how it turned out. There you go. The file is here, fully formatted, not just with the text, but also with the charts that were generated. Look how interesting that is. All of this was done by Gemini. I didn't have to copy and paste anything at all. So, guys, give it a try. It's a really cool feature, especially the one I showed you, where you can take a picture of your notebook, bring the pages here to Gemini, and then ask it to turn those notes into study material. That will help a lot, especially for those who are studying. So try it out and then come back here in the comments to tell me what you thought about this new feature. So, did you like it? Do you think people will soon stop writing documents and leave all the work to AI? Let me know in the comments. See you in the next video. Bye.
I'm just a man running out of time.